Hello. $85.
I'm almost in the middle of getting done, so they're gonna be wanting to use the desk, so you can hold on to those, and I'll process as soon as we get that done, and then that one's just a normal. I probably recommend that one, that's the least.
So are you Jen?
Yes.
So, you're gonna go over first your
They're cute, but when you get them home, they're exhausting.
You're a rascal. What are you doing, baby?
You're a monkey. Are you a monkey? You get rid of beans. You're a monkey. He's a monkey.
Honey.
Oh, I don't like it. Ha ha ha. Tough. Okay. Picture taken. Denton.
He's kind of heavy.
Yes, he is. Here, one thing you might want to try. I'm going to show you how I'm going to hold it.